Good morning, students. Today we will study decimal number system. Let us look at the expansion of 47,561, which we already know. You can write it in expanded form. This can be written as 4 into, here what is the place value of 4? It is 10,000. Here 4 into 10,000 plus 7. What is the place value of 7? It is 1000. So 7 into 1000 plus 5 into place value of 5, it is 100. 100 plus 6 into place value of 6, it is 10 plus 1. We can express it using powers of 10 in the exponent form. Therefore 47,561 can be written as 4 into 10 raised to power 4. Why? Because here there are 4 zeros. It can be written as 10 raised to power 4 plus 7 into, here it is 1000. In 1000 there are 3 zeros. It can be written as 10 raised to power 3 plus 5 into, here 10, it is 100. And how many zeros are there? 2. It can be written as 10 raised to power 2 plus 6 into, here 10, it has only 1 zero, therefore it can be written as 10 raised to power 1 plus 1, and here there is no 10, we can write it as into 10 raised to power 0, because value of 10 raised to power 0 is 1, and if you multiply 1 by 1 you will get 1. This is your expansion form of 47,561. Now come to next topic, that is expressing larger numbers in the standard form. How do we write larger numbers in standard form? See, observe these examples. 59. In 59 there is no decimal. Here we suppose that decimal lies on right hand side of the number, that is after 9. Your decimal will be here, and we have to bring this decimal after first digit. Here in between, how many digits are there? It is 1. Therefore 59 can be written as 5.9 into 10. How will you get 10? Here we have brought this decimal after 5 digit. There is only one digit, that is 9. We multiply it by 10. If it is 2 digit, then we multiply it by 100. If it is 3 digit, we multiply it by 1000, and so on. Therefore 59 can be written as 5.9 into 10, and in exponential form this can be written as 5.9 into 10 raised to power 1, because here there is only one zero in 10, therefore it can be written as 10 raised to power 1. This number, that is 5.9 into 10 raised to power 1, it is called standard form, and 59 is called usual form. 59 is called usual form, and 5.9 into 10 raised to power 1, it is called standard form. Now let us take another number, 590. Here there is no decimal, it means decimal lies on right hand side, that is after 0, and you have to bring this decimal after first digit, that is 5. You have to bring this decimal to here. In between there are two digits, that is you have to multiply it by 100. So this can be written as 5.9 into 100. It is equivalent to 5.9 into 100 can be written as 10 raised to power 2, because it has two zeros. So this can be written as 10 raised to power 2. Therefore 590 can be written as 5.9 into 10 raised power 2. This is the standard form. Now take another example, that is 5900. Here again decimal will be after zeros, that is here, here, and you have to bring this decimal from here to here, that is after first digit. Here there are 3 digits in between, therefore it is multiplied by 1000. So this can be written as 5.9 into 1000. Decimal will shift from here to here. It will be 5.9 into, there are 3 digits, therefore it will be multiplied by 1000. Now this can be written as 5.9 into, now 1000 it has 3 zeros, therefore it can be written as 10 raised power 3. Therefore 5900, it can be written as 5.9 into 10 raised power 3. This is called standard form. Now come to next example, 59,000. Here 1 zero is less, we can write it here. Here decimal is here, and you have to bring this decimal to here. Here how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. It means you have to multiply it by 10,000. So this can be written as 5.9 into 10,000. And again write 10,000 in exponential form. So this can be written as 5.9 into 10 raised power 4, because it has 4 zeros. 59,000, it can be written as 5.9 into 10 raised power 4. This is called standard form, and so on. Here we have expressed all these numbers in the standard form. Any number can be expressed as a decimal number between 1.0 and 10.0, including 1.0 multiplied by power of 10. Such a form of number is called standard form. Now come to example 13. Express the following numbers in standard form. You have to write these numbers in standard form. Here see, first part, it is 5985.3. Here see, let us take this 5985.3. Here decimal is here, and you have to bring this decimal from here to here, that is after first digit. Here how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. It means it is multiplied by 1000. So this can be written as 5.9853 into 1000, and write 1000 in exponential form. So this can be written as 10 raised power 3, because it has 3 zeros. So the number can be written as 5.9853 into 10 raised power 3. This is your standard form. Now come to second part. It is 65,950. Here where is decimal? Decimal is here, and you have to bring this decimal from here to after first digit. Here how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. It means you have to multiply it by 10,000. So this can be written as 6.595 into 10,000. Now write 10,000 in exponential form. It has 4 zeros. It can be written as 10 raised power 4. Therefore 65,950 can be written as 6.595 into 10 raised power 4. This is your answer. Now come to the third part. It is 34 lakh 30,000. Here where is decimal? Decimal is here, and you have to bring this decimal from here to here, that is after first digit. How many digits are here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means you have to multiply by 10 lakh. Therefore, it can be written as 3.43 into 10 lakh. And 10 lakh, it has 6 zeros. In exponential form, it can be written as 10 raised power 6. Therefore, the number can be written as 3.43 into 10 raised power 6. This is your standard form. Now come to fourth part. It is 70,040,000,000. Now here in this very decimal is here, and you have to bring this decimal after one digit, that is after 7. How many digits are there in between? Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It means it can be written as 7.004 into, after 1, how many zeros will be there? 10 zeros, because there are 10 digits in between. Here write down 10 zeros, and this number can be written in exponential form as 10 raised power 10, because it has 10 zeros. So the given number in standard form can be written as 7.004 into 10 raised power 10. This is your answer.